Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your VI SIM is active and Volte provisioned at the carrier. Once done, reboot the phone to refresh registration. This forces a fresh attach to Volte. Next, open network settings and choose 4G/3G/2G with 4G preferred, because Volte runs over LTE. Finally, enable the Volte or HD calling toggle. If you can't find it, look under SIM or cellular options. These initial steps avoid wasted troubleshooting later. Once basic settings are correct, dig into APN and software. Open APN and compare values to VI's recommended profile, because incorrect APN can block Volte signaling. If mismatched, update or create a new APN, then select it. Next, check for carrier provisioning updates or phone firmware. Installing them often restores Volte support. Make sure to clear cache or fully reboot. If changes still fail, reset network settings. This clears stale profiles and forces the phone to re-register with the network. You finish by testing. Place calls and confirm the Volte icon and superior call clarity. If calls drop to 3G, note time and location. If issues persist, contact VI support with your IMEI, SIM IXID, and example call timestamps, because that helps their provisioning team. As a last quick check, try a SIM swap into another compatible handset or request a SIM replacement to determine if the fault is SIM provisioning versus device-related. If nothing works, request a network-side reprovisioning from VI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.